Hello, this is Joe, and it's been a while since I've made a video, so I thought I'd take on a rather large question about our ability to foresee the future. And I'm starting from 3 days, weeks, months, and year with them blended into each other. So the first part, with what does the future hold for me, has to do with 3 days to weeks. And first word I got was a parting from what is known, part, parting from groups that no longer serve me, a parting from the person I've known in the past. So those are the things that come up with that. And then I got something that looked up and then across and then down. So what seems straightforward to most people has this indirect route. And then I saw two arrows, one at the top, one at the bottom. Not arrows, but triangles. And that to me associates up and down. And with that, it could be moods, it could be energy, anything that you feel is an up and down. The card that I pulled for these times is the Emperor card, using again the Tarot of Mystical Moments by Katrin Wells Stein, a deck that I really like. Also with one symbol that I got, using the Book of Runes by Ralph Blum. Okay, so with the Emperor, that can represent leadership, experience, authority, confidence, and a strong will. But even with all of these, there's the expansion of the crown chakra going up and a connection to nature in what is seen. So there's that firm grasp on things. All right, so the next part is weeks to months. And with that, I got the rune Gibel, and that's a partnership and a gift. And I got the sense of, or heard the word bill, and that looks to me like the cost of something when you get the bill. So at what cost with this expansion? And then I got the word funny and your funny bone, and the cost, we need to be lighter about that. All right, and the last thing I heard was handle, and that's to have a handle or on something, and something within our grasp, something that's more sure than we feel right now. And the card for this part is, excuse me, the Temperance card. Now, the Temperance card is, to me, a card about my energy when I'm doing numerology. And I see different things than the guidebook sees. I see a woman in balance and harmony with that kind of gossamer skirt to her dress. And the red to me means passion, with the idea of illusion, with those dragonflies. And all around, there's a sense of sort of distance, but connection as well. So harmony, blended elements, mindfulness, and moderation. And the last part I looked at was months to a year. And with that, I heard decide. We need to make decisions about what we want the months and year ahead to look like. And to me, that means visualizing, imagining, daydreaming, all those things about what we might want. And I heard a bell. And a bell to me announces something, announces the break, announces lunch, announces the beginning of something. And then the word besides, and that's about something, information to the contrary of what we might be seeing or thinking. So be open to unexpected things. And then I saw a geisha, a robe that a geisha would wear, and it's formal wear and Japanese, and I'm studying Japanese at the moment. It takes a while. And the card that was pulled is the reversed world, and with reversals for me, it means longer time than we expect. This card has a global energy with the stars and the planets, and it represents fulfillment, success, goals achieved, and accomplishment. And this idea is she is now wise and strong from all her travels. Hope you got something out of this. I know I did. I will be looking for flow and the signs of connection. All right. Namaste.